Today, Fun with Flowers and Jay is brought to you by Euphoria Flowers and Reliant Ribbons, Bows, and Trims.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we're creating an all-flower wreath, and we're accenting it with Aqua Satin from Reliant Ribbons, Bows, and Trims. Aqua Satin from Reliant Ribbon is the perfect choice when it comes to satin ribbon. Satin ribbon is a staple for us in the flower industry, and we use it constantly, whether it's in a skinny width or a medium width, or using the wider widths for sympathy. For corsage work, we want a beautiful bow that has great color, it makes a pretty bow, we can do wonderful things with it, and we don't have to worry about the ribbon. That's where Aqua Satin comes in. It's a perfect opportunity. If you've ever used a propylene ribbon like this before, and you realize that when you're working with it, it splits really easily, and that can be a problem. Or if your bow's out in the wind, it starts to get shredded. You don't have to worry about that with Aqua Satin, because Aqua Satin is a woven ribbon, and you can't tear it. It's durable, and it makes beautiful bows. It's a sturdy ribbon, and look at how great my bow looks. We've got great reflective quality, we've got intense color, and it holds its shape. Have you ever put bows in the cooler, and once they get a little bit damp or moist, they start to sag? That's especially frustrating at Valentine's Day time. You don't have to worry about that with Aqua Satin. I love the way that it holds its bow shape. It's also easy to work with in my hand. Now let me show you something else. I took this ribbon and completely dipped it in water. And look it's still maintaining its shape. But you don't have to believe me. Let's do it with this one. Completely in water, and look it still holds its shape, it's still beautiful. So we don't have to worry about bows going down over the holidays. This is satin ribbon we can depend on. It comes in a wide variety of colors, including this beautiful new tuxedo stripe, which adds great texture. So today, we're going to make a project. I'm going to braid some of the Aqua Satin, and we're going to create a beautiful flower wreath for a tribute. This 100% polyester ribbon is strong and durable. It's color fast, heat and water resistant. It's perfect for braiding. Because of the tensile strength of the ribbon, it holds the braid so beautifully and the colors show through. It has a firm hand, which makes bow making easier as well. Another great benefit to braiding, Aqua Satin won't tear or fray. The great part about the colors of this ribbon is that they won't fade over time. Because it's heat and water resistant, it's good for outdoor uses, which makes it ideal for patriotic, fall, and Christmas holiday outdoor decorating. That also means it's really suitable for wreaths, window swags, and memorial tributes. This low-cost ribbon adds visual appeal and value to any floral arrangement. I'm using blue hydrangeas from Esprit, and I want them to have a deeper blue cast and also a teal hint to match our ribbon. So I'm using the tinted Jade and Sapphire to enhance the color. I'm using color blocking for this wreath. Because we're using the braided ribbon, I've allowed that to be the inspiration. We'll add our other colors, gerberas and roses, in color blocking fashion, using all of the flowers together in one spot. This gives more focus to the color and creates more impact. To bring out our pink, we'll use this beautiful Joseph & Sons pink stock, and we'll follow up with some beautiful Euphorbia spray roses. The Milva and La Parisienne are a great contrast to this hot pink spray rose. We'll accent this wreath with a beautiful bow made of 2.5-inch turquoise Aqua Satin Ribbon. I tie it off with a hard wire so I can place it directly into the foam of the wreath. I don't have to worry about it touching the foam because Aqua Satin won't wick up water. The other great part about Aqua Satin is it never stains. It's also not going to curl up in the cooler or wilt with heat or humidity. I can actually use my stick to poke it directly into the flower foam. There's no concerns when I'm doing this using Aqua Satin. Next, we'll add the braiding. I picked up this trick from my friends in Texas. They use Aqua Satin and braid it for their homecoming mums. The ends don't fray, and it's beautiful and easy to use. The ribbon continues to look clean and fresh, even when it's been outdoors. The colors of this braided ribbon bring all of our colors together in our beautiful full flower wreath. No matter what your project, Aqua Satin comes in the perfect color or hue. A wonderful ribbon you can depend on from Reliant Ribbons. Until next time, keep having fun with flowers.